My name is Ethan Stewart. I'm actually a student here at West Virginia Junior College, and I'm pursuing an associate's degree in their IT program. I've actually liked computers ever since I was born. I mean, growing up in the early 2000s, I was surrounded by it, and I figured there was no better career for me to take. One thing that I really enjoy is actually the hands-on, like interpersonal relationship you develop with your instructor. Like my instructor is Tom Pinkerton. He does a really good job. The externship program that we have here at WVJC is actually something that every student has to go through if they want to graduate. So once you start your externship, you'll be selected for a site, and then you'll go there and you'll perform whatever duties are associated with your program. With IT, it's troubleshooting, building computers. Most likely the Secure WV conference that we went to back in August. The conference is just a bunch of IT related programs and everything. You go there, you sit in panels, you can learn a whole bunch of new stuff. Like I learned a whole bunch of stuff about pursuing different careers in the IT field. You don't have to just do desk work if you don't want to. Right now I'm still thinking on that, but I really hope to use this program to further my career and develop a career in IT.